Good morning, everybody. I hope you are all doing awesome. Well, I can't believe it. I haven't done voiceover for so long. If you are new here, hi, my name is Ellen. I'm the girl behind Jancat Art. I've been running Jancat Art for 2.5 years already. I can't believe it's so fast. I'm so grateful for all of you who love Jancat, supporting the brand, supporting me. And we got so many customers returning for more cats. I feel so blessed. And also, I just can't believe we have over 80,000 followers on Instagram. To put the number on paper, it's more than twice the size of my town. It's just, I can't believe it. Thank you so much for all your support. You guys are amazing. In this vlog, I'm taking you through the process of making tote bags. I did 3 designs this time. I love every single one of them. It just looks so adorable. And which one is your favorite? Leave a comment below. I'm so interested to see your comments every time. Also, let's be friends. This time I'm recording for this vlog. It's Saturday morning. I try to be really calm right now because I just lost a whole bunch of inventory last week. They said the package got delivered, but I did not receive it, so I filed a claim as lost package. I'm just waiting for the customer service getting back to me. Fingers crossed. I really hope the package will return back to me by next week. It's just I'm super worried at this moment. I'm trying to convince myself not thinking about this right now. I'm going to do some laundry. Hope you enjoy the rest of the vlog. Talk to you soon. I myself made a mistake here. I printed borderless and it cut out my design, so I cannot use it. Let's print it again. So this is the paper I'm using for sublimation prints. It's this brand. It's great paper. I love the quality. It's so vibrant and sharp. And this is the sublimation ink I'm using. It's a great ink so far. Look how vibrant it is. I love it. My happy day. Oops, sorry. And we have this one as well. Let's focus. Focus. Here we go. Check out Mr. Bear. nice size. Yeah, I like it. What do you think? See. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, any thoughts, please leave me a comment below. Also wish me luck on getting my package back. I really hope they get back to me next week. I will update you in the next vlog. Will you enjoy the rest of your day? Until next time, bye!